Hey guys, welcome back. I mentioned in the last video that I was going to get right into the project, and today's episode will be front bumper changing and then steering wheel. I've got to swap that out to the aftermarket one, but I've got about 2 hours of daylight left before it starts getting dark, so I'll take you along with me and we'll try to get that done. Tomorrow's activity would be working on the frame. I want to get the frame extended so I can get the bed on. I'm chomping at the bit waiting for the fenders to come in, and then that'll be another activity. I'm trying to get this thing wrapped up. So anyway, I'll take you along with me. We'll try to get this done before it gets dark. Well, there you have it. There's the chrome bumper. It looks better than the painted one. The painted one was just ugly. I sent out an email to a chrome shop to see about getting it painted, and they quoted me, or to get it chromed, and they quoted me $2,700 to chrome it. So obviously I didn't do it. I just got a used one out of a truck wrecking yard, so it's a driver. It's not a show truck, so anyway, I'll pass. Onto the steering wheel. I didn't have the steering wheel nut tight on there when I put the steering column in, because I knew it was going to come back out. So just like that. Off with the old, on with the new. Maybe. Alright, I got the steering wheel figured out. Let's put some light on this. I'm not gonna tighten the nut down just like it was originally. I'm gonna get a alignment on it. That way there won't be such a pain. There. So I'll run her down to where it's snug and call it good. Anyway, it sure looks a lot better than the original one. So we got, let's see which ways it go. Push, tilt. Okay, there we go. Tilt steering and telescoping. There we go. So that'll do that. We can get rid of the ugly factory one. Put the ring in. Push tilt. There we go. There. Perfect. It's different. So there we have it. Alright guys, this is where I'm going to end it. I didn't get as much done as I wanted to, but due to, I guess, be weather complications, rain and a little bit of wind, I got as much done as I could, considering the circumstances. But let me show you what I did get. So I've got the frame extended, the pieces are ready to be welded on there, it's just cleaned up. I started, as you've seen in the video, I started grinding them, putting the angles on them, getting them prepped for the other pieces. I didn't run the video that long because I didn't figure that you would want to see all the fabrication side of it. Who wants to watch a bunch of grinding? So anyway, kind of gives you an idea what I have there. And then I also mentioned in the video that I was waiting for the fenders to come in, and lo and behold, they showed up. Just take a look. And then the dog gets in the way. So here we go, fiberglass fenders. If you can see, come on. They are from Badass Custom Truck Parts in Illinois. So I'll have these painted up, but this will be the next adventure. Bolts and hardware, at least. Oh, maybe there is no hardware. I see metal brackets I have to drill. Come here. Come here. You gotta get out of the way. Come here. Sit. Sit. Come here. Sit. He doesn't listen. Sit. There you go. Good boy. Everybody, this is Riley. Riley, this is everybody. AKA Fred. He's the shop dog. He doesn't pay attention to Whelp, but he's been an awesome dog. So he likes to be involved with everything. As you can see. So let me see. More brackets, fiberglass fenders. So this will be the next adventure. And welding on this. And that'll end it for this one. But anyway, thanks again for watching. And if you want to watch more of the conversion, hit the like button and subscribe to it, and that way you'll be notified the next time I post another video, which is hopefully in the next week or so. I said I'm waiting for the rain to disappear, and or at least let up some. So anyway, thanks again for watching.